Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to It's Who You Know. I'm your host, Dawn Janae. There are so many Americans out of work today, and the economy is certainly in bad shape. However, some have found a means to an end by way of network marketing. Have you ever wondered if multi-level marketing is for you? Some shy away from the idea, but our guest, Robert Beasley, has been in the industry for 9 years with much success. He will discuss the benefits of multi-level marketing and why so many are turning to it. Robert, welcome to the show. So tell us, what is multi-level marketing?
Well, multi-level marketing is it's a pyramid, and the people on the top are going to make more money than you or ever will, and that pretty much sums it up. You know, we're not going to actually sell the product; we need to sell the people. Okay, the product are just a front. So you need to get as many people in your organization as possible. You know, damn the product. I don't care if it's prepaid legal, if it's pancakes. What we want to do is we want to make money at the top based on the people that you get to buy into the idea of independent wealth and freedom and things of that nature. All right? Thank you. Next question.
I gotta ask myself what I'm gonna do, babe. Am I gonna save myself?